Here's the chicken. The only thing it lacks is like a smell.
Prada Bay, run away, don't go. I'm in hell, might as well just go. Losing track, don't take my soul. I'm in first, you too late, you slow. Yeah, hop outside the whip and then your skin gon' freeze. Yeah, all the other guys ain't really built like me. They got janky motives, don't know what they want. They keep blowing smoke, but I keep it blowing. Got these blue faces on my plate, I can't get off, yeah. Brand new sweater going with the ones, don't lace them on, nah. Had to hit her all like, what you doing with that dog, nah. You know that I do you right, can never go in dark, yeah. I've been losing sleep over dumb shit. Better add the function, but I couldn't go function. I've been with my bros, had to get up on some grown shit. You ain't bought your paper, then don't call up on my phone, bitch. I had to put my pride to the side. I know that the timing ain't right. Come back when you make up your mind, yeah. So my focus and I put it on the cash. Me and my brothers wake up every day to go and chase the bag. It's so cold down hell when I'm in my fucking head, yeah. All that shit don't help when it's random on my bed, yeah. Got these blue faces on my plate, I can't get.
I just got to the house, you guys. Oh my gosh, I injured my knee. Oh wait, did you see my nails? I'm so excited. I love them. I think short nails are for me, like definitely. Like look at that. Look at that. Milan hair parlor did that. Anyway, I was saying I think I popped my knee, you guys. I am in such pain and already have knee problems, so like it's grueling pain. I've made it. Anyway, so I just got home from the nail parlor. I am so hot. It is hot. Yes, I'm hot, but like it's hot. The weather is so hot today. So yeah, I'm thinking I prepare supper, so I'm just gonna thaw out the chicken because that's what I want to eat today. And yeah, my floor, I have pillows everywhere. Okay, yani nashindwa hata kutoa kiatu. It is so painful. Like this knee has always had problems, but nilikuwa nashuka stairs we hata siamini, like nashindwa hadi kuinini all the way through. Yo, let's thaw out the chicken, you guys. The chicken is just half. Nimeiweka kwa maji now. I think I'm just gonna shower because I feel like it's so hot, you guys. I just need to shower. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave this to do its thing and then marinate it. Guys, let me put you on. Oh, I showered and yeah, I'm clean now. I went to marinate the chicken and then I remembered I have French nails, so there's a white part, and nikitumia marinated that and either some slight yellowish color which I don't like. I wanted to put you on this thing. It's Vaseline Intensive Care Advanced Repair. Like this thing like does the thing, especially on your legs, because I feel like legs are very dry. Like that's my the driest part, but legs are very dry. If you have like dry skin, this thing works amazing. Let me show you again. It works really well. I've been using it for a while now. Yeah, but it's not my main moisturizer, but I feel like it's gonna be because it's really good. The only thing it lacks is like a smell. It just smells like normal lotion, but it's really good. Here's the chicken. This is how it looks like. I'm just gonna let this marinate for a few hours. I'm just gonna marinate until like at night. But yeah, it looks good. I didn't use my hands because French nails again. I used the spoon. Oh, the things that I used were, let me find them. I used mixed spice. I used no chili, chicken masala. This one is from Jumbo. This thing is what was a tropical heat. Black pepper and where is it? Paprika. Yeah, those are the only ones that I used. Guys, today's the next day. I think I left you off on nikipika kukus, no, but I really didn't show you because I'm not a food channel. The thing is, I get like, I don't know how you guys would take like food content on my channel. I really don't know. So I don't show it. But if you guys would love me to do food content on my channel, comment down below, yam, if you would like to see me like doing food content in my vlogs, like what I'm cooking for lunch, what I'm cooking for breakfast, what I'm cooking, like, you know, such things. Yeah, I'm going to class. I'm very late. I don't think I'm gonna vlog me going to class. I think that's gonna be in the next vlog. So I'm gonna leave you guys here. I'm gonna leave you and love you. I know this is gonna be a short vlog, I already know, but I I just want to start a new vlog. I feel like this vlog in a lose direction somehow. So yeah. Also nails. My nails are so cute. I love them. Oh, also next week I'm gonna do my toenails. So if you would love to see that, subscribe to my channel, like this video so that can reach more people. Do not forget to comment yam if you would like to see more content on food. Okay, I'm gonna leave you and love you. Bye guys.